In this video, I'll show you the best NVIDIA settings for 2025, fully updated and tested on the latest drivers. These simple tweaks will make your PC feel faster, more responsive, and more competitive almost instantly. Low latency mode. This reduces input delay and helps you react faster in game. For image scaling, turn this on only if you're running games below your monitor's native resolution. It sharpens visuals without costing much performance. For VSync, turn it off unless you're seeing screen tearing on your monitor. Disabling it will lower input delay even more. These three settings alone give you quick and noticeable improvements. If you don't have the NVIDIA app yet, don't worry, you can still get the same results using the classic NVIDIA control panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings and click the Global Settings tab. Here's what to change. First, Power Management mode. Set this to prefer maximum performance. This keeps your GPU clock speeds high, giving you smoother performance, especially in CPU-heavy games. For low latency mode, set it to Ultra. This reduces input lag by timing frame rendering to match what the game actually needs. Threaded optimization, turn it on. This helps spread the workload across multiple CPU cores, which is great for modern titles that aren't well optimized. Texture filtering quality. Set this to high performance. You'll barely notice any loss in visual quality, but gain smoother frame rates and faster loading times. And again, VSync should be off, unless you're dealing with screen tearing. If you're using G-Sync or FreeSync, your monitor will handle this better on its own. Next, while you're still on the control panel, go to Display, then change Resolution. Make sure your monitor is set to its maximum refresh rate. Select your monitor's native resolution like 1920 by 1080 or 2560 by 1440. Then set the refresh rate to the highest one available. This ensures you're getting the smoothest visuals your display can offer.